Before we get started with our dissections, we need to make sure that we're safe. So make sure you have gloves, lab coats, and goggles. To start, place your pig on your dissection surface. We are looking at the reproductive system and going to remove a female reproductive system from this fetal pig. Since we already removed the digestive system, this is going to be a lot easier for us to see the upper parts of the reproductive. We have ovaries here, and that twisted tube there is the oviduct, or the fallopian tubes. Ovary, oviduct. The rest of it, however, is trapped inside here. So we're going to find the vulva, the external genitalia. We're going to make a cut on the side of it up through your previous dissections. Make sure not to go too high as not to damage the oviduct. For the sake of the video, I'm going to remove this leg. We should get a little closer. We can see both the rectum, and this is the vaginal canal leading to the uterus, which will split in the pigs into two horns, leading to individual ovaries. Let's cut gently along the sides of that vaginal canal, making sure not to damage the vaginal canal or the rectum, just cutting between them. The fallopian tubes. We're just going to cut that connective tissue. We're going to go to the other side, do the same thing, and free it up a little bit. Now let's see if we can lift this system out. We might need a little bit more cutting along the way, but it should come out fairly nice. And there we go. Now we can put our pig away. The vulva, vaginal canal, uterus is this body right here, leading off into individual fallopian tubes. There we go. And ending in the ovaries. This was the bladder, connected by the urethra here, which will then also exit out through the urogenital opening. We can, at this point, lay this structure down and cut it in half. And you can see the inner structures there of the vaginal canal, leading to a tightened region, which would end up being cervix, and then lead into that uterine body which is right. There. Separating, there you go, separating into individual oviducts. Now, you can clean up and put your pig away.